Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dad, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. There has been a mega thread on Reddit on tax filing software. Since it's tax season, I thought it's a good time to start a list of my own. I still remember the days where everything is in paper format. It was time consuming, flipping back and forth and manually calculating the numbers. Now, there are many software programs available to help automate, check, calculate, and even file your tax forms for you. Tax software programs are for those who don't want to pay a professional to prepare their tax returns. For me, I'm just an everyday dad who budgets and works hard as an engineer to stay out of debt. Therefore, a professional to do my taxes would be overkill, and I wouldn't need them. The second thing a tax program would be great for is ensuring accuracy of my taxes. As the laws of taxes are always changing, you might not be aware of new tax reductions that are eligible to me. Like with this pandemic, in Canada, there is a working from home tax break, which I didn't know until I used my program. I will be doing a video on that shortly. For now, let's get right into some tax software I would recommend. The first tax software and the one that I trust most, the one that I'm currently using and is ranked best overall, is Intuit Turbotax. Some of the great features about TurboTax is the easy-to-use tax wizard, upgradable tax support, and live assist plans to help you get through all your tax needs. Let's go through the tax wizard. It's great because some of the features it includes is that it allows you to import your previous year's tax record to begin. This will allow a lot of the information to transfer over, and you don't need to begin all over again, like personal information and a few numbers required from past years. Then, TurboTax also retrieves a lot of your employment and investment information from the banks that you use with, and fill that in for you too. All you really need to do is verify the amounts and confirm the information is accurate. TurboTax will then ask you a series of questions to get a better financial picture of you. Don't worry if you don't get the questions right the first time, because their navigation menu makes it super easy for you to go back. The next thing I like is their forms view. You don't really need to upgrade for real estate and self-employment because you can technically enter it directly on their forms, which gets calculated back into your overall income. Of course, it's not as nice as if you paid for the improved versions. Then, once you're done, the software will analyze your return and make recommendations to get more out of your taxes and check to make sure there aren't any obvious mistakes. The next thing is that TurboTax will allow you to automatically sign into your tax agency and submit it online. It's really a great software. If for some reason you get stuck, have questions, or need advice, you can, of course, first contact your tax agency, which will take forever. Contact a professional tax accountant, which of course will be expensive, or pay for extra support through TurboTax, which is somewhere in the middle. To me, this is why TurboTax is my favorite and why I'm still using it. The next program is H&R Block. It used to be a walk-in service where you bring all your forms into one of their locations and they would file your tax return for you. Now they have expanded their offering to a do-it-yourself tax return with the option of online assistance where a tax accountant would guide you through the tax process. Other than that, the H&R software is about the same as TurboTax. The next tax software option is TaxSlayer. This software was founded in the 1960s and is a Georgia-based tax preparation company. It is definitely not as well known here in Canada. This program is one of the cheaper programs. This program also offers a 100% accuracy guarantee and will reimburse its customers for any federal or state penalties and interest charges. TaxSlayer is also very similar to the other tax programs with fewer options, a little bit harder to use interface. The fourth software I would use is CreditKarma. Created in 2007 to provide consumers with free credit scores and reports, which I still love today. Beginning in 2016, CreditKarma started offering free online tax reporting. If you are a simpleton, then this program will most likely work for you. CreditKarma doesn't support all forms, and as a student, this software will be just fine. Individuals filing in multiple states or who receive funds from a trust or estate need to look elsewhere. CreditKarma also offers free audit defense support and guarantees a max refund up to $1,000 in penalties. Jackson Hewitt was founded in 1982 and has become the second largest tax preparation service in the United States. In 2014, it began offering online tax preparation and filing services. Jackson Hewitt offers many services and choices from online only to mail-in to in-person. They can even pick up the forms from your house. With one flat fee of $49, you can get step-by-step guidance, free W-2 data imports for eligible employers, customer care support available online, free storage for your tax returns and data for 3 years to help pre-fill your next return, know your refund amount as you file. Jackson Hewitt is the best and the cheapest if you want all the services and insurance. TaxAct was created in 1998 to offer affordable digital download tax preparation services to individuals and small businesses. Since 2000, the company has helped electronically file over 65 million federal returns. TaxAct has the best accuracy guarantee because it offers the most reimbursement for any difference in liability, refund, or any provider I've reviewed so far. TaxAct is quite simple tax software. It also offers very limited support on the free plan. I hope you like this list of tax filing software this season. My first choice overall is still TurboTax, and Jackson Hewitt would be my second choice. There has been many opinions said on this Reddit megathread, and I hope to have condensed it for you. Make sure if you have any further questions about tax filing software to join me in the Daddy Dat Facebook group. What is your favorite tax software on this list? Make sure to answer that question in the comment section down below, along with any questions you might have on this video. Thanks for watching! If you would like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.